Sekarang ini aku sudah berada di Bandara Kuala Namu International Airport Medan dan aku berencana akan melakukan perjalanan ke Singapura dengan menggunakan Jetstar dan dengan kode penerbangan 3K284. Oke, ikuti aku terus selama dalam perjalanan dengan menggunakan Jetstar.
To Singapore. We are pleased to welcome our Qantas frequent flyers and passengers from our codeshare partners. The flight time is approximately 1 hour and 10 minutes. For your safety, please ensure your baggage is stored securely under the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartments. Kindly take care of your personal belongings and valuables at all times during the flight. Please fasten your seatbelt, put your seatbelt upright and secure your tray table. Please be careful when lowering the armrest.
Look to where the crew is pointing to find your nearest exit. A good way to remember is to count the number of seats between you and the exit. The crew will also point out lights that act like a bump to the exit. Safety briefing cards that show the brace decision and other important information on what you should do in the unlikely event of an emergency. It has 2 red tags and 2 mouthpieces for inflation, whistles and lights for attracting attention. You must only inflate your life jacket as you leave the aircraft to prepare for takeoff.
That whenever the seatbelt sign is turned on, lavatories must not be used and you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt. Electronic devices.
arrival. Ladies and gentlemen, start preparing the cabin for landing. Please turn your seat and fasten your seatbelt.
Tidak ada sabun, air, AC. Lavatory dari Jetstar ini sangat bagus dan semuanya berfungsi. Mantap, Jetstar.
Gentlemen, welcome to Singapore. The local time is 15 minutes to 7 in the evening. You may now use your mobile phones. However, your seatbelt must remain fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched on. Do pay attention to all announcements while you use your device. Take care when opening the overhead compartments and ensure you have taken all your belongings before leaving the aircraft. Passengers with connecting flights on Jetstar in Singapore and require assistance, please proceed to Transfer Desk Counter C, located in the Departure Transit Lounge of Terminal 1. If you are holding to your onward boarding pass, please check for your boarding gate details on the flight information displays in the airport. Kindly report early to the boarding gates to prevent delays. It has been a pleasure serving you on this flight. Thank you for flying with Jetstar.
udah sampai di Bandara Changi Airport Singapura, dan terima kasih sudah menonton channel aku. Dan jangan lupa untuk kalian supaya subscribe, like, share, dan komentarnya. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.